If you are facing trouble to design your title slide, this video is for you. Open a blank PowerPoint slide, go to Insert Shape options, and insert a rectangular oval shape. Create a copy of that shape and select No Outline for the shape. Place one shape at the top of the slide area and one shape at the bottom of the slide area. Do the necessary adjustment and alignment for both of the shapes. Once both the shapes are positioned, insert a rectangular shape to cut off the additional shapes outside the slide area. Use the Mark Shape options to do that. Follow the procedure for all the three sides of the slide area. Now select both the shapes, go to Merge Shapes options and unionize them. After that, insert a picture from your gallery. Crop the picture according to the size of the slide area. Send it backwards. Create a copy of the image of the same size. Drag it outside the slide area. Now select the shape and the picture. Go to Merge Shape options and select Subtract. Now drag back the other copy of the picture over your slide area. Adjust the transparency of that picture. Now send it back. Add a couple of text boxes in the shape areas. Add the necessary text of your slides. Change the font and size of those text. If you liked the video, take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Now for the second title slide, insert a hexagonal shape. Create 4 copies and place them in a line. Align the hexagonal shape vertically. Align it to the right as well. Now select all the vertical shapes and make copies. Place them side by side. Now select all the hexagonal shapes and go to More Shape options to unionize them again. Cut the additional area out of the slide area, following the same process that we did for the first title slide. Now select the hexagonal shape, go to picture field and add a picture of your desire. Add the title and subtitle. Change the font according to your choice. Change the font size also according to your need. Your second title slide is ready now. For the third slide, you insert a circle. Make 4 copies of that circle. Place them like the video. Make the necessary alignment using the format option. Do it for all the circles. Now select all the circles and format them with no line. Format the background also. For this, I am using a darker background. You can use the gradient fill option and do the necessary adjustment with your dark background. Now select all the circles, go to Merge Shape options and select Union. Insert a rectangle. Make sure the rectangle is of the same size of the slide area. Select No Outline and send it back. Now select the rectangle and the circle, go to Merge and go Select, Intersect. Now select the circular shape, go to Format Shape option and insert a picture. Now go to Icon, insert an icon. This will make your slide more attractive. Change the formatting of the icon. Now insert a couple of text box. Add your title and subtitle. Change the font and the color of the font according to your need. I have used Impact font for the title. Once you're done adding the text, your title slide number 3 would be ready. Like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.